Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your fact table and all related dimension tables into Power BI Desktop. Once loaded, make sure to clean and set data types so relationships behave predictably. This reduces surprises later. You should also remove unused columns and normalize repeating attributes now to avoid denormalization mistakes. Make the primary key in each dimension explicit and confirm the foreign keys in the fact table match exactly. This first step establishes the structural foundation for building a proper Snowflake schema. Next, you model relationships in the Power BI model view. Connect fact foreign keys to each dimension primary key, selecting single or both directions based on filtering needs. Then normalize dimensions by splitting attributes into related subdimensions to represent the snowflake pattern. This reduces redundancy and improves maintainability. Once done, set cross-filter directions deliberately and, where necessary, build composite keys using calculated columns so joins are deterministic. Make sure relationship to finish, create DAX measures in the fact table and minimize calculated columns to boost performance. Measures compute at query time and keep the model lean. Then optimize visuals by using direct relationships to common dimensions and enable aggregations for large datasets. Make sure to disable unnecessary auto-date tables and mark dimension tables where helpful. If something goes wrong, verify relationship directions, matching data types on keys, and look for inactive or ambiguous relationships. Fixing those usually resolves incorrect totals and filter propagation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.